Oh, I go on, people. You don't know, so the Yaadman sports in a minute now, but they are with a thing called Baddis in Paris. Alright, now we're getting the recap at day 8. And hear me now? When you feel like so we get another gold medal, I don't know if we can see, but guess what? We have to have faith. So hear me now? The whole of we wake up early this morning because we want to take in the 4x100 relay. But before we got this up, we have to talk about the woman them shot put. Because a big drama go on this up. And you see that drama there, it just propel and continue throughout the day. So we never reach the final with Cameron and Thomas dad. But you see Thomas dad, she roll out and get mad. She run out on the JOA and J3A. My girl said she done with the foolishness, she not play. How do you deal with the athlete them so? Every year or something else? Come on man, enough to do better man. When you hear me now, I understand how things going on. But how so much athlete could they get to carry them coach? And have a bag of people over there just cock out them foot like end up on the North Coast. But yo, hear me now Thomas dad, them have to go fix things. Because you see the things that happen after a year event, make them look stink. Now for the 4x100 relay them. The event them over there look forward to this morning. The ladies them do them best and them reach third. But my word, we're gonna need somebody who can kick for come in for the final. Cause if that not happen, that medal not gonna make a rival. Now for the 4x100 meter for the man them. And a right so running a whole heap of problem. Me know say no athlete no go enough to qualify. But you can't deny that team never look good. That team never train whole heap together. That team don't know each other. That team never ready people. So right now, we not qualify for the 4x100 meter final at the Olympics, people. I mean, not lie. My heart hurt me. My heart hurt me, people. I'm not gonna lie, my heart hurt me. When you hear me now, don't kill me for the opinion here. Me kinda glad, so we not do too well. Me feel like this is a blessing in a disguise. Because right now, that thing open up everybody's eyes. Them can't hide no more people. Them have to fix up things. Novaski and listen, never make it through for the 800 meter man them. But people, little bit after that, we did get for here with anthem. Eternal Father, bless our land. Look how proud to wanna stand up with the goal in our hand. Finally, we get to hear the national anthem, the prayer in the stadium. And me now like me jump up and stand at attention. Can be the lay down. Proud moment. Proud moment. Knowing that the 400 meter hurdles final for the woman them. We have Salmon and Clayton. And I really feel like Clayton today I got done them. At least a bronze medal. But you see that girl, when named Sydney McLaughlin, that girl looks special. Now for the 200 meter final, we never in another race here, people. And if I one thing I know about a real Jamaican and a Yaadman, we not watch people. But yo, I have to talk about father lies. I'm not talk about the facts that the brother come third and how they are hype about how him go win. But people, the brother run a race with COVID-19. I don't even realize that it's a serious thing. The brother knows him have COVID-19 from Tuesday and not tell nobody people. So right now, I wonder if this brother is selfish or if he does evil, him evil. Want to hear me now? Me say the IOC don't have no protocol for COVID and them treat it like a common cold. So everybody just do what they want to do right now, people. But you know what, you know? You have a yellow card for unsportsmanlike behavior. So many of the facts say they jump up and down like he want to touch the sky, or the facts say he have COVID-19 and never tell nobody. So we're going to find out in a day or so what the IOC are going to do. Whether they might give him the medal or they might give him a fat DQ. Now for the last race of the day for the Jamaicans, the 110 meter hurdle for the man them. Big up yourself, Orlando Bennett and Pachi. Yo, I know say things never easy and they're doing the best. But you see that brother named Broadbell, but they stand up tall and just do stuff. Beat off your chest. You hear me? Because you run hard and you get the brands. And some will say, we get the same time and then rob you. But yo, I go down the road. You understand? But yeah, people, you don't know say that, you know. Baddis in Paris. I feel like say, we get our next gold medal. Because a long time we do this. We're not novice. I'm out.